everyone. Sorry that you're a little bit close to my face right now, but today I am going to be doing a video which I'm so excited to try. I recently saw Sophie Louise do this on her channel and I thought it was hilarious. I absolutely loved it. Today I'm going to be following my own first makeup tutorial. I mean, I'm not great at makeup now, but 4 years ago, whew, crikey. But anyway, I need to get some makeup on this boat race, so let's get started. I haven't watched this video since I uploaded it. I've just quickly scanned through it this morning to see which products I used. Okay, let's just dive on in at the deep end. Hello YouTube. Today, hello YouTube. I used to always say that. This is the look that I will be creating. Wow, looks great. So there's a little bit for everyone. And oh, I sound so dull, like I'm so embarrassed. I sound like I have no personality at all. This is before I got my teeth done and it actually pains me to look at them back then. I feel sorry. How old was I in this video? Right now, I am 19. I'm gonna have to Google it, I can't work it out. Okay, I was 16 years, 1 month and 5 days old in this video. God, I feel sorry for 16-year-old me if that's what I look like. Anyway, let's continue. Benefit the professional. What is this called? Primer. That's it. Quirky. I'm gonna put this primer on with my fingers. Nice, hygienic. To be fair, I still do that now. So basically, I'm putting the primer on with my fingers. Pretty standard, but is it really gross that this is the same primer as I used in that video? I'm such a makeup hoarder. Whatever, gonna use it anyway. Oh, it's gone watery because it's so old. That's really gross. Do I want to put this on my face? No, I don't. Am I going to put this on my face? Yes, I am. This is grim. Also, I definitely did not use primer for my everyday makeup routine. Han, why are you lying? I only use primer when I remember that primer exists. Other than that, nah. Oh, this does feel nice though, actually. It still feels all right all these years later. Value for money, that. Right, moving on to foundation. Today I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in shade... Oh, this made me feel a little bit sad for 16-year-old Hannah because I spent my money on that foundation and I remembered hating it, but I wanted to use it in this video because everyone else used MAC makeup and I didn't use any high-end. I feel sorry for myself. I paid so much for that foundation and it was awful. Hence why I don't have it anymore. So instead I'm going to use this one from the Body Shop. This is the Fresh Nude Foundation in the shade Bora Bora. To be honest, I picked this one out to use because the bottle looks kind of the same. This is actually my first MAC foundation and the only thing I don't like about it is it smells like paint. And everything else. It does look quite yellow at first, but then that's not the right shade for you, hun. Okay, so this was clearly before I had discovered beauty blenders. I definitely haven't got that brush anymore, I am pleased to say. So I'm going to use this one from Lily England instead. It feels so weird putting foundation on with a brush now. I'm not a fan of this. My life was hard back in the day. 16-year-old Han struggling with her foundation. Not surprised, hun. Moving on. All the parts of her face I don't like, cover it up. I also put a little bit on my cheeks just to like make them a little bit lighter. Okay, I'm not sure why. I'm just gonna use the same brush, that's fine. Okay. Next I do my eyebrows. I used to use eyeshadow for my eyebrows every single day. I thought it was absolutely genius. Now I cannot use powder on my eyebrows. It just does not work. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to use a similar brush, which is also from Lily England. Let's give this a shot. This is the shade. This is the same eyeshadow palette as well. This is gonna be horrendous, I already know. I haven't got my contact lenses in either, so I can barely even see what I'm doing. Oh my God, recipe for disaster, Han. Are you even trying, hun? God, my eyebrows look so bad. They are so different. I actually feel sympathy for her. To be fair, I didn't give myself the best chances. I used a brush for my foundation and I used a brush which was way too big for my eyebrows. Even now, I feel like I am significantly better at doing eyebrows than I was back then, but I still can't do them with a brush like this. I think that's the best my eyebrows are gonna get using eyeshadow. I tried, at least they look better than they did back then. I've learnt some technique is what we can take from this. Next, I use the Rimmel Brow This Way. Oh, I've used a brow gel. I ain't got a brow gel now. Yes, Han, better use that eyebrow gel and make sure that they stay exactly where they are because they look perfect. To produce cheekbones on my face, I use the Bourjois Paris bronzing powder, basically the chocolate one. So I haven't got that exact bronzer, but I've got the one that has the highlight in it as well. I should be sponsored by Real Techniques because all I use is their brushes, to be honest. Trying to get that spon since 2014 because Real Techniques are really going to sponsor this girl. I actually like this bronzer, you know. I still like it. I like the colour of it. It's nice and matte. It looks very natural. Well, it doesn't in the viewfinder actually, but to me, this looks really natural. I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear blush in the shade Stay Pretty.
Still got this because it was never the right shade for me.
You can't go wrong with this blusher. You have to really get a lot on your brush.
You do not need a lot on your brush. That's the opposite of what you need. That's why yours looks like that, hun.
Next up, what do I do next?
Okay, so next up is powder, but I don't have that powder anymore. What I do have is this powder. This is the Rimmel Clear Complexion Powder, and I remember that I used to use this all the time. I don't use it anymore, but I used to love it.
Now I'm going to come back to my eyebrows. So I take my concealer. I haven't seen anyone else do this, it's just something that I do. There we have it, eyebrows are complete. Not having a good eyebrow day today.
You know what, little fab Han? I think every day might be a bad eyebrow day for you when you were 16. Hate to break it to you, but they weren't great.
Next up, I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I've mentioned this before in a favourites video, my L'Oreal Paris Super Liner in Perfect Slim.
We already know how this is going to look, Han, because we've seen you in the intro.
Do not judge me by how bad my eyeliner looks.
The pressure now to do my eyeliner well is very intense. Watch this go badly. Watch me look like 16-year-old Han.
One eternity later.
Okay, eyeliner complete. Not perfect, but it's not as bad as it was back then.
Anyway, the next step after my eyeliner is my mascara. I am going to be using the Benefit They're Real mascara.
And I'm now using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. Didn't curl my eyelashes, just going straight in for it.
This is my everyday mascara. I'm not going to improve it any more than that, because I'm a free woman.
Wow, you are bold. Sassy. Got mascara in my hair. Oh my god, I'm still a living mess.
And the final stage of my eyes is using the Bourjois Paris Liner Stylo, and I'm going to do this in my waterline.
This again is not the same eyeliner that I'm using there. Right, okay, because your eyes really need to look darker, Han. Oh my god, that looks so freaky. Oh my god. Put it away. This feels so weird. Feeling this might be a little bit heavy around the eyes for an everyday makeup look, Han.
So now that I've done that and my concealer's basically gone, guess what I'm going to do? Use more concealer.
Oh wow, this is going to be cakey.
I sometimes wear eyeshadow as well. I do like a bit of a gold smoky eye. I might save that and do like an evening makeup tutorial.
Oh, please do, please.
Then to finish off, I am going to take... This will seem weird. Let me explain. I'm going to use Vaseline on my lips.
Why is that weird? There's nothing weird about putting this on your lips, Han. That's what it's made for. Again, this is a different one. I'm not that vile.
If you feel you need to, just a little brush over.
Okay, we're just going to brush our face for no reason, apparently.
We are complete. You are now ready to leave the house looking not dead.
You might not look dead, but you do look tragic. So then, that's that. That's my everyday makeup tutorial. Do you know what? I think what I've learned from this is that I have improved with my makeup. So that brings us to the end of this video. I'm sorry that you had to endure 16-year-old Hannah in this video, but I hope you somehow managed to enjoy it. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything weird that you used to do with your makeup. Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye!